In today's video, I'm going to give you a Clipchamp tutorial for beginners. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To begin using Clipchamp, navigate to the Clipchamp website using your preferred web browser. Ensure that your internet connection is stable to facilitate a smooth experience as you explore the platform's features. Once you're on the Clipchamp homepage, locate the sign in button situated in the top right corner of the screen. This button is your gateway to accessing your personalized dashboard and all the tools Clipchamp has to offer. Clicking on it will prompt you to choose your preferred method of signing in. Choose the option to continue with Google. This method allows for a seamless and secure login process by linking your Clipchamp account to your existing Google credentials. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to enter your Google email and password. This integration simplifies the login process and ensures that your projects and settings are consistently accessible across devices. After successfully signing in, direct your attention to the left panel on your screen. This panel is designed to provide easy access to the main features of Clipchamp, organizing them in a user-friendly manner. Here you'll find the primary sections that you'll interact with as you create and manage your videos. Within this left panel, you'll encounter several key sections labeled Home, Brand Kit, Templates, and Settings. Each of these sections serves a distinct purpose in your video creation process. The Home section serves as your central hub. The Brand Kit allows you to maintain consistency with your brand elements. Templates offers a variety of pre-designed layouts to jumpstart your projects. And Settings lets you customize your Clipchamp experience to suit your preferences. Beneath these main sections, the left panel also displays your folders. These folders are where you can organize your projects, media files, and other assets. Creating and managing folders effectively can help you maintain an organized workspace, making it easier to locate and manage your content as your video library grows. At the top center of the interface, you'll find the search bar. This feature is incredibly useful for quickly finding specific tools, templates, or media within Clipchamp. Whether you're searching for a particular template or trying to locate a previously saved project, the search bar provides a convenient way to streamline your workflow. Moving to the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice the upgrade button alongside your notifications and profile icon. The upgrade button is your gateway to accessing advanced features and premium content that can enhance your video creation capabilities. Notifications keep you informed about updates, offers, and important information related to your account. Your profile icon allows you to access your account settings, view your activity, and manage your personal information. Clicking on the home section will take you to your dashboard. The dashboard is your command center within Clipchamp, where you can oversee all your projects and access essential tools. Here you have the option to create a new video from scratch or leverage AI-powered features to generate videos more efficiently. This flexibility caters to both beginners and experienced users, allowing you to choose the approach that best fits your needs. Within the dashboard, selecting the option to create a new video opens up the video creation interface. This is where the magic happens, enabling you to edit and upload your videos with a variety of tools at your disposal. Whether you're adding clips, trimming footage, or incorporating audio, the video creation interface is designed to provide a comprehensive suite of editing options to bring your vision to life. For those looking to streamline their workflow and maintain brand consistency, clicking on the Brand Kit section is essential. Here you can view and manage your brand elements such as your logo, fonts, and color palette. Adding these elements ensures that all your videos align with your brand identity, creating a cohesive and professional appearance across all your content. Exploring the template section allows you to browse through a wide array of template categories tailored to different types of videos. Whether you're creating a promotional video, a tutorial, or a social media post, the template section provides pre-designed layouts that can save you time and inspire your creativity. Selecting a template is a great way to jumpstart your project, especially if you're looking for design inspiration or need to create a video quickly. Accessing the settings section gives you control over various aspects of your Clipchamp account. Within settings, you can manage your profile settings, general preferences, billing information, storage options, and export settings. Customizing these settings ensures that Clipchamp operates in a way that best suits your personal or business needs, providing a tailored experience that enhances your productivity. To keep your projects organized, you can add a new folder by clicking on the Add Folder option. This feature allows you to create a dedicated space for specific projects or categories, making it easier to locate and manage your content. renaming folders to reflect their contents can further enhance your organizational system, ensuring that you can efficiently navigate through your projects as they accumulate. After setting up and naming your folders, finalize the process by clicking on the Create Folder button. This action confirms the creation of the new folder and integrates it into your left panel, where it will appear alongside your other organizational folders. With your folders in place, managing your projects becomes a more streamlined and efficient process. Returning to the Home section and selecting Create a New Video will direct you to the Video Creation interface, where you can begin your editing journey. This interface is equipped with various tools and options that allow you to personalize and enhance your video content. From importing media to applying effects, the Video Creation interface provides all the necessary tools to craft a professional looking video. On the left panel of the Video Creation interface, you'll find your main menu, which is a gateway to various resources and tools that you can incorporate into your video. This menu includes sections such as your media, record and create, content library, templates, text, transitions and brand kit. Each section offers specific functionalities that contribute to different aspects of your video editing process. At the top of the left panel, the main menu is prominently displayed, offering quick access to essential functions. Here you'll find options that allow you to navigate back to the Home section, create a new video, upgrade your account, access shortcut keys, seek help or support, and install the Clipchamp app. These options provide convenient pathways to various parts of the platform, ensuring that you can easily manage your projects and access the tools you need without any hassle. Beside the main menu, you'll notice an option to rename your project. Renaming your project is a simple yet effective way to keep track of your work, especially when managing multiple videos simultaneously. Giving your project a descriptive and unique name ensures that you can quickly identify it in your list of projects, reducing the likelihood of confusion and enhancing your overall workflow. To commence editing, click on your media. This section is where you'll import all the media files you intend to use in your video. Whether you're adding video clips, images, or audio files, your media serves as the central repository for all your assets. Organizing your media effectively at this stage can significantly streamline your editing process, allowing you to focus on creating without the distraction of searching for misplaced files. If you wish to record a video directly within Clipchamp, select the Record and Create option. This feature enables you to capture video footage using your device's camera and microphone. Recording directly within Clipchamp is especially useful for creating live action content, tutorials, or presentations, offering a convenient way to generate original content without the need for external recording devices. Within the Record and Create section, you'll find various recording options to suit your specific needs. You can choose to record both your screen and camera simultaneously, which is ideal for creating screencasts or live demonstrations. Alternatively, if you prefer to focus solely on your camera feed, select the camera only option. For recording your screen without a camera, the screen option is available. Additionally, there are options to record just audio or to use text-to-speech features, providing flexibility based on the type of content you're creating. Accessing the content library opens up a wealth of additional elements that you can incorporate into your video to enhance its visual and auditory appeal. The content library includes a diverse range of assets such as shapes, audio tracks, stickers, frames, backgrounds, images, and more. Utilizing these elements can add depth and creativity to your video, allowing you to customize it beyond the basic editing features. Within the content library, you have the ability to add various elements to your video. Shapes can be used to highlight important areas or to create visually appealing designs. Audio tracks can set the tone or mood of your video, while stickers add a fun and engaging touch. Frames help in organizing your content, and backgrounds provide a foundation for your visuals. Additionally, a vast collection of images is available to complement your video content, ensuring that you have all the tools necessary to create a polished and professional looking final product. Clicking on templates within the content library grants you access to a curated selection of templates that you can add to your project. These templates serve as starting points, offering pre-designed layouts that can save you time and inspire your creativity. Whether you're crafting an advertisement, a social media post, or an instructional video, the templates section provides a variety of options tailored to different purposes and styles. When you select the text option, you'll be presented with a range of text styles that you can incorporate into your video. This includes titles, plain text, and various stylized text options that can enhance the readability and visual appeal of your content. Adding text to your video is essential for providing context, highlighting key points, or reinforcing your message, making it a crucial element in effective video communication. The transition section offers a collection of transition effects that you can apply between different clips in your video. These transitions include fades, blurs, wipes, and more, each designed to create a smooth and visually pleasing flow from one scene to the next. Utilizing transitions effectively can enhance the overall viewing experience, making your video more engaging and professional. Returning to the brand kit within the content library, you have the opportunity to manage your brand elements directly within the video creation interface. This includes adding your logo, colors, fonts, and other brand-specific details to your project. Integrating these elements ensures that your video aligns with your overall brand identity, maintaining consistency across all your content, and reinforcing brand recognition among your audience. By following these steps, you can efficiently navigate through Clipchamp's interface, utilizing its robust set of tools and features to create high-quality videos tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're a beginner exploring video editing for the first time, or an experienced creator looking to streamline your workflow, Clipchamp offers the flexibility and functionality to support your creative endeavors. As you continue to work with Clipchamp, remember to regularly save your projects and organize your media within designated folders. This practice not only safeguards your work, but also ensures that you can easily access and manage your content as your library expands. Additionally, take advantage of the brand kit and templates to maintain a consistent and professional appearance across all your videos, reinforcing your brand's presence and message. Exploring the various sections of the left panel, such as your media, record and create, and content library, will open up numerous possibilities for enhancing your videos. Experiment with different elements, transitions, and text styles to discover what works best for your specific projects. Don't hesitate to explore the templates section to find layouts that resonate with your creative vision, providing a solid foundation upon which you can build and customize your content. Utilizing the settings section effectively allows you to tailor Clipchamp to your personal or business needs. Adjusting your profile settings, managing billing information, and optimizing storage options can significantly enhance your user experience, providing a more personalized and efficient workflow. Regularly reviewing and updating your settings ensures that Clipchamp continues to meet your evolving video creation requirements. By mastering these features and integrating them into your video creation process, you can leverage Clipchamp's full potential to produce engaging, professional quality videos. Whether you're creating content for personal use, business marketing, or educational purposes, Clipchamp provides the tools and resources necessary to bring your ideas to fruition with ease and efficiency. In summary, Clipchamp offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to simplify the video creation process while providing the flexibility and functionality needed to produce high-quality content. From organizing your media and managing your brand elements to utilizing templates and transitions, each feature is thoughtfully designed to enhance your creative workflow. By following these detailed instructions and exploring the platform's capabilities, you can confidently navigate Clipchamp and create compelling videos that effectively communicate your message and captivate your audience.